Hi there guys, welcome to another Rossberry Productions video. Today I have a 2017 Mitsubishi Triton or Warrior, depending on where you are in the world, and I'm going to show you the locations of the OBD2 diagnostic port and the two fuse boxes, engine and cabin. So first off, we'll start over the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle. Open up the door fully, just come down into the footwell. Now the OBD2 port is found just there, just below the fuel release there. For the engine bay fuse box, pull this lever here to open up the engine compartment, come round to the front of the vehicle, just above the Mitsubishi badge there's a lever, push that to the left, open up the bonnet fully, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your engine now safe and secure, come over to the right hand side of the vehicle, just next to the big battery. There's this box here. This is your engine bay fuse box. Just one tab, put it up, twist it out of the way, and that will expose all of your engine fuses. On the back of the lid there is a diagram, but it could be hard to read. So we'll now put up a computerized diagram. For the cabin fuse box, come over the passenger side of the vehicle, or the left hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully. Now you can actually access it by two ways. One is underneath in the passenger's footwell, just so just up there you can get to some of the fuses, or the other way is to open up the glove box, push the tab in either side, and then actually release that shock absorber there by pushing that to the left, and there is your cabin fuses. Now on the back of the glove box there is your fuse diagram, but I'll also put up a computerized diagram for you now. If you found that video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.